They've just got a deal, right? I'm more excited than these guys. It's giving me goosebumps. It's just up the road, 2-minute walk.
2 minutes.
And we're sat in a pub. Look where we are, Bournemouth beachfront, and their amazing property. We're just going to see 12 people,
walk, yeah.
2-minute walk. It's incredible. Watch this space. These guys are going to kill it. At least £3 profit. I can't wait. I said it's all downhill from here because this is going to be their best property on their portfolio. This was Sam and Paul in Bournemouth. Check out this monstrous property owned by one landlord, and they've got a flat. So let's go in and have a look.
Ready to go, this one?
Yeah. The spec on this. You know, I can see you've gone for the really high-end clientele. Yeah. You've really gone out on the cleaning as well. So what's the story with this? What's going on?
Well, we done some work for the landlord before, and we saw this one needed doing. She's had a bad case of tenants and wanted it off her hands, so I took the opportunity to do a refurb on it and take it off her hands.
Yeah, so you guys are builders?
We're builders, and we agreed a price to do the complete refurbishment, which the landlord's paying for it, and then we signed a contract to take it on a 5-year lease rent offer after that.
Yeah, amazing. Let's make our way through. So
this is bedroom 1, bedroom.
Is the floor safe to walk on? Yeah.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah. So this will be a bedroom. It's kind of a bit
dark and dingy at the moment.
Yeah,
isn't it?
Bit of a cave. I love seeing properties like this, though, that need a complete start again.
Especially when you can see it before and after. It's going to be a big transformation.
Yeah. So you say 8 weeks before you finish? 8
to 10 weeks, we reckon. Obviously, we've got to do a whole lot of replumb, rewire, new kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, plastering, the whole lot.
Yeah. I mean,
it was tenanted, like I said.
I can't believe it was tenanted. I can't believe that. And they were paying £600. I mean, on a 3-bed. Yeah. So the beach is literally, what, a minute walk?
Yeah.
Minute walk.
Downhill.
Town centre is
10 minutes.
10-minute walk.
5-10 minute walk.
Yeah, amazing location. So even I would rent this place for £600 a month. Look at this for a shower, guys. I can't believe it. Wooden frame.
I know, it's crazy. You've been smoking a lot or something in there.
It's absolutely crazy.
It does look like there's been a fire.
It does look like it's been set on fire. Yeah. So Paul's not really sure. That door is actually 2.5, 3 foot up the wall. So
yeah, we're bored over that. It's a bit of a weird mishmash, but when it's all done, it'll be alright.
I'm really looking forward to seeing the transformation in this place because it needs a lot of money spent on it right now. Check out this, guys. Look at that. Yeah, I see you've started on the wall art already.
Yeah.
Monstrous, huge communal space, so that's really good.
Yeah, kitchen. We have the kitchen coming through from there into the dining room lounge area. Yeah. And possibly put some doors out to a decking area outside.
Yeah, nice. So, what's the deal on this? How did you meet the landlord?
I met the landlord a few years ago. We did an extension on her house in Upton, and then her brother wanted me, who owns the 2 next door, we did a refurb on them as well. And then she just contacted me to see if I would be interested in doing a refit on this so she could re-rent it. And then then she told me the story of her not getting on with the tenants and being stitched up for something like £15,000 by the last tenant.
15,000 in voids?
Couldn't get them out, so it'd take her to court to get the person out, and all those fees amounted to about 15 grand, she said. So that's what they owed her. And then I saw the opportunity then to ask her, would she be interested in just renting it to us after the refurb, and she just bit my hand off, really. Yeah. And the good thing is she owns flat 4 as well, which is in a similar state to this. And once we've done this one, we're going to get that one as well, hopefully.
Yeah, nice. So you've already agreed a rent on this as well?
We've already agreed a rent on this.
And this is a large 3-bed in Bournemouth, a minute to the beach. And how much are you paying?
£1,300 a month for 5 years.
And it's going to sleep 12 people.
We could get 12, that's what we're going to look at.
Yeah. We done the maths a minute ago, and it's about £16 a night on a conservative basis per person to make some money, which is crazy. So
good, looking forward to it.
Yeah, amazing. So you joined us a year and a half ago, didn't you?
Yeah, it was about a year and a half ago.
So what happened?
Oh, we dove in quite hard at first. We looked everywhere, didn't we? Yeah. Sam was on the phone a lot, went and had a look at a lot of places. Then work took over a bit, and I don't know, took you off the ball a little bit, and sort of we keep talking about it, keep looking. Oh, that'd be good, and then we sort of drift away again, and then obviously this just landed on our laps, and that's it really. Building work took over. Not gonna lie, it started getting good again, but it's primarily what we wanted to do, and now hopefully this is the kickstart.
Yeah. This is a great start. I can't wait to see how it looks when finished, you know. What's the light switch?
That there, that cable, all the way to the light in the middle of the room.
I'm amazed it's even got central heating. No, you got a fun job here. Real fun job. So yeah, I'm glad to see you boys kind of back in it.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
it's always a shame where a student joins, they hit it hard, and then life gets busy.
Yeah.
They put rent to the back burner.
It wasn't always to the back though, was it? We were always still looking, but
We just didn't have the time to make the amount of calls we needed to, I think.
Yeah.
I think this is just going to reignite spark
definitely.
again to get going.
Definitely.
It's going to look stonking, so
It will do.
I look forward to coming back, seeing it finished.
Well, we'll let you know when it's nearer completion.
Yeah, if it all goes
I'll
well.
send you some images halfway through.
You might uncover some.
Yeah, I think that floor's.
Yeah.
I think the floor's going to be a bit of an issue in places, to be honest.
Yeah. All right. Awesome.
Cool.